Hello, everyone. So recently, SUBSTACK just introduced iOS app. So that's pretty cool. And in this video, let's just explore it, everything, how to install it, how to, what you can do with it, how it looks like, and all of that. For readers, the app brings all your Substack subscriptions together in one menu, giving you a beautiful, focused place to read your favorite writers. Discovery features make it easier to find and follow along with new writers. And also the app brings text, audio, video, and community seamlessly. And also there is like a for writers there is also a feature here. You retain total ownership of your content mailing list. So yeah, probably you should be also able to create content from this Substack app. This is just the first version. If you want to send some feedback, so you can reach out to them. And this app is only on iOS, iPhones right now. It's not on Android. So anyways, get the app. Let's just, see how it looks like. What are the reviews there? It was in the media everywhere, but yeah, so there you have it. The app is quite small, 11.2 megabytes. And then you can see here the average rating is pretty high. However, there aren't that many ratings, 4.9 out of 5, 1.5k ratings. I'm just like curious. So there is only Substack Reader app, right? But what about if I want to produce content from my phone? Like, is there an app for that, for writers? So no, it's only Substack Reader app, and there are a bunch of other apps. So finally it is installed. So here you can see just your inbox, discover, library, all of that. So let's just open it up. So now you just need to create an account or log in, and then I just need to check my email. So let's explore. So the email should arrive now. Sign into Substack. Sign into Substack app. And then yeah, so now it takes some time. Let's see if I can log in. I think I have had an account with that email before. So it just takes some time, but yeah, probably there are still some issues even if it is like a new app. Yeah, like there are some bugs and it can be slow. Maybe there are so many users. Oops. So for some reason, yeah, I can't log in yet. Okay, I tried another email. So I restarted Substack app right now. So there are, as you can see, there are still some like weird bugs here. And then so this link is can be used once only. So finally, after a few tries, now I'm signed in. Yay! So now I can just see my inbox, and I can see basically all my newsletters here. For me, it's like an interesting big concept, because like why would you need like a separate Substack app if basically you have your like email app and you just read all your newsletters there? But of course, for people who exactly enjoy the Substack, it can be much. There are some additional features. You can manage subscription from here. Okay, you can't for now. Maybe in future you can subscribe. You can see people about later. So just a bit more features and more Substacky experience, as you can say it. Then you can just discover. Then you can see your library, your podcasts, all of that. Then you can see your posts, your writings, edit profiles, support. So you can just add your full name. You can add your profile picture. You can display on my profile where you want to go. Then if there is a new item in your inbox, you can just easily see it here. So it arrived, and you just seen this orange icon. So that's kind of cool. Then you can archive all these items in your inbox. So yeah, I think maybe it's even better. Like, if you want to be really focused on some newsletters you like to read, and if your email is similar to mine, where I have like the amount like thousands of unread emails, and I just basically abandoned my email app. So yep. Like a separate Substack reader app makes sense. But I like also that it's like super minimalistic. You can also see audio versions here. You can see all of just like content. You can see comments. So you can share it. You can archive it. Yeah, so I like the minimalistic approach to this app, not pushing so much stuff, but just like doing some basic features. You can reach out to support, sign out. So that's that. And now I also got this like first 1,000 email to newsletter to my email. So it's like that's what I was talking about. Of course, I'm also receiving this newsletter to my email client, to Apple Mail. But also it arrives in the app, and I will receive like push notification probably from this app. So just like what you prefer better. Of course, then this app kind of becomes similar to Medium, something like that, but that's just what you think about it. Anyways, that's an overview of Substack app. Let's also, let's just go through some reviews in the App Store. what people write in here. The average rating is quite high, and people are writing there is finally an app. I'm excited to see that Substack has an app now, so that I can see all the writers I'm subscribed to. I enjoy the smooth movement into the app to see all of my subscription on one list instead of hunting for them in my email. So there you have it. That I think that's the main feature. Like, if you subscribe to your email and you get in 500 other emails, it's like super annoying just to find and filter out all your favorite authors from Substack in your email client. So it's just much easier to do just in your app. And it's other people disappointed. There are some bugs. I'm not receiving all my posts in my inbox. So it's rather than including your whole feed inside the app, it only shows posts that were sent as emails. Missing a few things. Minimize comments thread. Only this app only uses random serif font that appears to be 10 points in size, maybe 9. So the font is too small. Cannot sign in. So that's the feature which I had. So as you can see, just in this video that I also couldn't sign in into this app. Network connection has been lost. It says some people needs a lot of work still. For reading app, it's disappointing you cannot adjust font size or have a dark mode. Unawaited app. So far so good. Might want to wait. No customer service. You can't talk to a human if you encounter a problem without so yeah, some people still say that there are like some bugs, but overall that the reviews are really nice. There are 5 stars reviews, and I think like for me, like the experience, except like trying to sign in for 3 times, was actually pretty smooth, and like I like the design, and on this iPhone 7 it looks pretty okay. So yep, there you have it. What do you think, guys? Do you like it? I also was expecting that you would have something like SUBSTACK Writer app, because for me, I more and more just tend to produce a lot of my content on mobile phone. For example, YouTube, I just produce a lot of that on mobile. Podcast, you can also do that on mobile. I even tried to write some simple blogs on mobile. That's how you are attached to it, and that gives you mobility. Like, you know, instead of like bringing your laptop with you everywhere, and you just have some idea while traveling or something like that. And yeah, you can easily produce few paragraphs of the newsletter just on your mobile phone. So I would be really excited to see some really nice SUBSTACK Writer app. Other than that, there you have it. Hope this overview was helpful for you just to have an idea. And let's catch up in the next episodes. Follow my website, Mr. Hack. Check out, like, of course, my YouTube and my TikTok. See you in the next videos.